Hi guys, welcome to the short video about the question if the new Google Drive for desktop is able to sync separate folders, and mean not only the Google Drive, but if you can include additional files or folders to be backed up to Google Photos or Google Drive automatically. And the answer is yes. Actually, unfortunately, in the first announcement, Google told everybody no, it's not possible anymore, and a lot of people switched then to other options, even to OneDrive from Microsoft. Yeah, it was definitely a bad decision to almost kill another product of Google, and now it looks like they have understood. So I'm going to show you how this works. We are here, down here we have the Google Drive. We click on that. So here we are down in the sys tray. We have the new Google Drive for desktop. We click on that. Here we have the options, preferences, and here we have these two options, the ones for Google Drive and the ones for the laptop. And when we are on the laptop, we can see we can add an additional folder. So I could add this folder, click on that, select folder, and then I could choose if it's being synced to Google Photos and or to Google Drive as well. I can check whatever I want. You can see I can have it only synced with Google Drive or with Google Photos only, or with both, and it gives me a warning, of course, that the storage will be counted, then duplicated, of course. But it is definitely possible. So it looks like they brought the thing back because people were wanting this. And yeah, that's it for now. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.